In today's video, we'll be looking at how to get full marks in the foundation question for the roleplay. This will be particularly useful if you're doing AQA at Gcse. In the description box below, I've linked a video which talks through step by step how to get full marks in the AQA roleplay question. So today we're going to look at an example foundation question on the school topic. As you can see, there are 5 prompts there. Before I talk you through a model answer for this roleplay question, pause the video now if you'd like to have a go at this yourself. So my preparation time starts now and I'm looking to prepare this in around 3 to 4 minutes. For the foundation roleplay question, there will always be one prompt that it requires you to ask a question. So I'm going to find that first and I'm going to highlight it or circle it so I don't forget to respond with a question there. So on my line paper, I'm going to write a response in Spanish to each of these 5 prompts. I'm going to keep it short and simple, as you should in the roleplay question, because you don't get extra marks for making your writing more complex or extending your responses. So I'm going to do a short, simple sentence. So the first one says, say what your favourite school subject is. And I'm going to say, mi asignatura favorita es el inglés. My favourite subject is English. So for the second one, it says, describe your favourite extracurricular activity. So I'm going to say, me encanta el club de teatro porque es entretenido. I love the drama club because it is entertaining. So number 3 says, say what you eat at lunchtime. So here I'm going to write, como un bocadillo de queso. I eat a cheese sandwich. So for number 4, it says, say how many lessons you have a day. So here I'm going to say, tengo 5 clases cada día. I have 5 lessons or classes each day. So number 5 is my question. It says, ask your friend a question about school. And I'm going to use this structure, ¿Cómo es tu colegio? And como es is a really useful structure and it means what is it like. So you can add whatever you want to finish that question off with afterwards. So for example, this is ¿Cómo es tu colegio? What's your school like? But if you wanted to say what's your family like, you could say ¿Cómo es tu familia? So it's a really useful structure when asking a question. Thank you for watching. Adios.